Today on Keeping It Realtor, I'm going to discuss whether or not you need to buy insurance when you purchase a condo. Today on Keeping It Realtor, I'm going to discuss whether or not you need to buy insurance when you purchase a condo. Hi, I'm Agent Amy with the Jennifer Queen team and RE/MAX Professionals, and today I drew the question, do I still need to buy insurance when I purchase a condo? This one is very straightforward. Here we go, I'm going to try and explain it in 60 seconds. Yes, you absolutely still need insurance when you're purchasing a condo. Condo fees do include insurance to the common areas, so anywhere that everyone is allowed to use, like a pool or a gym or the stairways and that sort of thing, your insurance is covered. But for your individual specific unit, yes, you do need insurance. And that was pretty straightforward. I didn't even need 60 seconds. Do you have any questions you'd like us to answer? Comment below and we'd be happy to help. We plan on putting out a lot of content this year, so if you like what you're seeing and want to learn more about Winnipeg and the real estate market, like us or subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Agent Amy with the Jennifer Queen team, and if you need any help with your real estate needs, feel free to reach out. We plan on, let's subscribe to our channel, but is it all the same?
Yeah, it's okay, that's fine.
What's it called again?
Keeping It Realtor.
I keep wanting to say Realtor Talk.